There is a dark side of dropshipping that nobody is talking about. Every e-commerce guru is selling you dreams and fantasies, along with their courses. But nobody is telling you the truth. And no, I am not saying that dropshipping is dead or something. It's still a good business to start, and it can still help you reach your dream life. But what I am saying is that dropshipping is not all sunshine and rainbows, just like the so-called gurus tell you. And after analyzing and working with various dropshipping businesses, I am going to reveal the darkest side of this business. But first, do you know that 90% of dropshipping business fails within the first 4 months? And out of the remaining 10%, only 10% gets profitable after the first year. That's because they are not aware about the challenges that comes along with dropshipping. The truth is, dropshipping is boring. You need to do research about the product, then find a good supplier, and then you need to set up your store, and then create social media handles to promote them. And once you start getting sales, only then you can actually quit your 9-to-5 job and start working while chilling on a farmhouse or a beach. Apart from this, there are 5 unknown challenges about dropshipping that no one else is talking about. First, and the biggest challenge of dropshipping is the intense competition. With low barriers to entry, the market becomes saturated, making it challenging for newcomers to carve out a niche. Imagine you and a bunch of friends are all trying to sell the same cool gadget. It's a bit like that in dropshipping. Lots of people are selling the same things, which makes it tough to stand out. It's like being in a battleground, and everyone wants to survive. And in this fierce battleground, only those with a well-thought-out strategy and unique value proposition will survive. Due to this fierce battle, the dropshipping stores need to rely on thin profit margins. In dropshipping, the amount of money you make on each sale is like a tiny slice of cake. It might not be enough to buy a whole new cake, if you know what I mean. Making big profits can be really tricky, unless you have an irresistible offer or a good perceived value about your products. With the rise of competition and the necessity to keep prices competitive, dropshippers often find themselves dealing with razor-thin profit margins. The challenge lies in maintaining profitability while offering competitive prices, which can be a precarious balancing act. Quality control is another crucial challenge for dropshippers. Dropshipping often involves relying on third-party suppliers, and not having control over your inventory means you're entrusting your brand reputation to others. It's like ordering a pizza and getting a soggy crust, not the best feeling, right? And the dark reality is that product quality issues, shipping delays, or mismatches between expectation and reality can lead to customer dissatisfaction and tarnish your business's image. Another lurking shadow is the uncertainty in shipment and delivery. In fact, according to 84% of e-commerce retailers, the main obstacle in dropshipping is finding the right supplier. While the concept of hands-off inventory management is attractive, the downside is potential delays, lost packages, or even customers receiving the wrong items. Dropshippers often deal with delayed deliveries, and it can be a bummer for both sellers and customers. Delays are common in dropshipping, especially when working with suppliers in different countries. Longer shipping times, customs delays, and logistical challenges are common factors that can frustrate customers and impact their overall buying experience. This leads to another crucial challenge for dropshippers, which is poor customer service. Dropshipping businesses may find themselves in a web of customer queries, complaints, and returns. The dark side here is the strain on your time and resources, especially if you're managing customer service alone. Ensuring customer satisfaction becomes a delicate balancing act. Now, earlier in this video, we promised that we will talk about the dark side of dropshipping, which nobody is talking about. Well, here it is. The darkest and most challenging part of dropshipping is account bans. It's like the ultimate timeout in the world of dropshipping. Imagine you're playing a game, and if you break too many rules, the game might kick you out for a while, or even forever. That's kind of how an account ban works in dropshipping. You see, as most of the people are starting dropshipping, they are looking for payment providers, ads accounts, and a platform to host their online store. Now, these platforms have a set of rules you need to follow. These rules ensure fair play and a good experience for everyone involved, sellers and buyers alike. Now, if you're not playing by the rules, it's like breaking them, and that can lead to consequences. Payment providers and ad accounts are constantly banning new dropshippers, as they violate their terms and conditions due to lack of knowledge and guidance. I have personally seen businesses getting destroyed overnight due to these account bans. So, it's important to follow the guidelines and be a good online citizen. But there is a step-by-step process to avoid these account bans and terminations. Watch this video next to find out how you can save your ad accounts and payment providers from getting terminated.